Pike just nailed it right at the bank. Well, welcome back. Today I was going after some pike in this creek behind me. I was trying to get out in front of a cold front. We're having a cold front come in this morning, and so I was trying to get an hour or two of fishing in before that cold front come in, hopefully get on a hot bite. And what happened today I wouldn't call a hot bite, but it was pretty good. I got a few pretty respectable pike, and here's the action. Thanks for watching. Alright, starting out at a section of creek I've never fished before. I'm going to be using a 4.3 inch Berkley Power Swimmer on a 3/8 jig head, fishing for pike today. See if there's any in here. Let's go start down here. Better bring the net. Oh, buddy. This creek is way up. Way higher than it normally is. Usually only maybe 6 feet wide. It's really shallow right in front of me, out to about the middle of the water. The deep part is on the outside here. And that's what I'm going to focus on. Okay. Got snagged pretty quickly there. Try something a little different here since I got to retie anyway. Another power bait, 4.3, just a little different color, kind of green sparkles. That'll work. Alright, nothing in this little stretch. Let's move. Wind's picking up. There's a cold front coming in as I speak. It's going to start raining pretty much any time here. That's why I'm out here right now. It's only about 11:30 in the morning. I figure this would be a good time with the cold front coming in. Oh, I just saw a fish boil over there. Come on. Can't cast. I could cast that far, but there's a tree in the way. I'll get snagged. Everything's so crunchy, it's hard to get down next to the water without making a bunch of noise. I want to cast into that shallow stuff right there before I'm going to walk over there, but I have a feeling if there's any fish in there, they're going to get spooked when I walk down there. So what I'm doing here is I'm making my way down this creek, heading towards the river. Creek dumps out into the river, maybe another 150 yards downstream here. And I've been seeing boils. I even got a hit or two. And I think what might be going on is, being it's so crunchy around in here, I'm making so much noise moving up and down the bank, I think I'm scaring the fish back down towards the river. So what I'm hoping is when I do get down to the mouth where the creek dumps into the river, there's probably going to be a bunch of pike hanging out there, and I can catch them. Sound like a plan? Sounds good to me. Finally got a fish, folks. I've been struggling for a long time. Losing lures. Finally got a fish on. It's a decent pike. I'm almost to the river. Went back to the white power swimmer after like the 4th retie. He's pissed. It's a pretty decent fish, really. It's probably, he's over 20, 22, 23 maybe. No bite marks on him. Alright. Let's do a little net release on this guy. I don't feel like tossing him today. I don't really need to. And away he goes. He swam upstream. Nice. Finally got a fish. Let's get some more. I'm going to try something that looks more like a fish. And I don't like the way this snout looks, so I'm going to cut the tip off. That way this jig head will fit in there a little better. That looks pretty good. This pike just nailed it right at the bank. Didn't have the camera on. Wow, that was great. That was a great hit. I wish I would have had it on film. Saw him hit it. It was right next to the bank. I was just lifting it out of the water. Gotta get the net. Why did I leave the net clear up here? I was just gonna go home. I actually was going home. Just stopped here on the way back to the truck. That was just a savage hit right there. Probably the best pike hit of the year so far. Yeah, he wouldn't look that great. Yeah. That's a decent fish right there. He's a little bigger than the last one. He's probably 22. Maybe he's about the same, I guess. Might even be the same fish for all I know. Because I'm kind of back near the same place where I caught that other one earlier. Alright. Like a bullet. Yeah. Whew. All right, folks, so that's going to be it. The wind has picked way up. I'm down here hiding behind a cut bank on the creek here, so hopefully you can hear me. But I managed to pull out 2 pretty decent pike today, so that was fun. That was worth it. Lost a lot of rigs, but hey, that's part of it, I guess. But thanks a lot for watching today. Appreciate it. See you on the next one. Yeah. Yep. Nope. Tried to get right next to that log, and I think I got into the log.